Hello guys, and welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to quickly explain to you how websites actually work and what interesting components need to come together to create the beautiful and awesome websites and web applications you see around you. If you would like to learn how to create your own website, please subscribe to this channel as soon as possible because I have a full course on web development coming up very soon. So stick around to the end of this video as you will really benefit from it. I'm Daniel and you're watching Paradox. Now, the two most important things needed for any website to actually work are a browser and some code files made up of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, the browser essentially displays your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files from your computer onto the web so that anyone at any part of the earth can actually view that code file. And if you'd like to see my in-depth video on the internet and how it works and how it displays all those code files, then check the link in the description and you can go to my previous video and view that. Now we are talking about websites. Those code files, what are they and how do they work? Now the HTML is responsible for the structure of the website. For example, if someone is building a house, it will be the wood, the bricks that put together the windows, and other parts that make up the building. Now, your HTML will help you to input paragraphs, headings, tables, images, and a whole lot of other things. This is just how one website made with HTML looks like. Really awful, isn't it? Now, this is where CSS comes in. When you're done building your house, you likely paint it, right? You likely put designs to it, decorate the lawns, put new flowers and other things. So your CSS actually helps you to beautify your website, to give it color, to give it background, to give it padding and all whatnot. So essentially your CSS is necessary for styling your website. Now after painting your house, it seems that your work is done, right? But it actually isn't. Some other things have to be put in place. The light bulbs, the plumbing, making sure that it actually works. Maybe putting something like a lifter in your house or a staircase. These things are what the JavaScript helps you to do. They help to give functionality to your website. They help your websites do something. Now, to stress the importance of having JavaScript, I'm just going to go onto my computer and I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to switch off JavaScript. Now, when you load a website like Twitter, you see that it looks very much different. It looks like the mobile version of Twitter, and it doesn't actually look like the Twitter you have on your phone. And if I go on to the New York Times, when I have JavaScript enabled, I would see these ads and pictures showing up. But then when I switch off JavaScript, I see that all those ads and pictures, they disappear. Now this is another function that JavaScript allows us to do. Now some people might prefer to switch off JavaScript in a scene like this because they would like to have an ad-free website. But when you go onto something like YouTube or Netflix, you find out that these websites won't even load up. So we cannot even imagine what the world will look like without having JavaScript. So remember, your HTML is responsible for the structure of your website. The CSS gives it styling. And then the JavaScript gives it functionality so that it can actually do something. If you would like to
with us, stick around as I'll be taking you with HTML headings up next. So if you like this video, please give it a like and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching.